Hey, Charles here with Rocky Mountain, and today we're going to be talking about how to tell what way or what orientation you need to install a seal. So if you've ever had something apart and questioned whether or not you're putting the seal in the right way, maybe you forgot to pay attention when you were pulling the old one out, there's a couple telltale signs. So one of them is going to be the open back of the seal. A lot of times that's going to be going against the fluid. Now there are some times that you're going to have an open back on both sides. So going further, the side that is sealing your fluid, usually it's going to have a slightly bigger lip and you're going to have a garter spring around it. Now this fork seal we're installing today, it's kind of tricky because it has a garter spring on both sides of the seal. So with this, we know that fork seals, they usually have a double lip on one side. That's going to be facing the oil, and then this less aggressive lip, that's going to be facing away. So the more aggressive lip, the thicker lip, it's always going to be facing whatever type of fluid you're trying to seal. The less aggressive lip or smaller lip usually is just to keep dust, debris, gunk, that kind of thing away from the lip that actually does the work and seals the fluid. So with that said, that's something you commonly see on fork seals. We're going back together with this. Now, a couple of other seals that can be kind of confusing are crankcase seals on 2 and 4 strokes. So now on 2 strokes, obviously you're trying to keep the fuel and oil mix along with the air. You want that sealed in that crankcase. So the garter spring typically is going to be facing in towards the crank, and then you've got the one lip that's facing the other way that's going to seal out air on your stator side or your magneto side, and then it's going to seal out oil on the clutch side. Now on 4 strokes, on motocross bikes, you'll have a semi-dry sump engine, so you're trying to keep extra oil out from around that crankshaft. So with those seals, they can be confusing, so anytime you're doing that stuff, I recommend taking a look at the manual and making sure you're putting the seal in correctly. But most of the time, you're going to be looking for the thicker lip, the garter spring, and the open back. That's going to go against whatever type of fluid you're trying to seal. So there you have it. That's your closer look at seals and the correct orientation. Now, if you need any parts for your bike, you can find that stuff on our website. Click the link in the description below. Orders over $75 ship free. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.